Hi engineers out there. This video is devoted to SDC Verifier software, and today I'm focusing on Connection Finder tool. This tool recognizes connections, their dimensions, and is based on joints. We already filmed a tutorial on joint recognition and connection verification according to Eurocode 3 standard. It will be linked in the description below. As you can see, my model consists of circular tubes which form cross-section of all braces and chord elements of the connection. And here are the properties of the model. You can see 16 circular tubes. Now it's time to recognize those connections to check their type, angles, and overall description. So I go to Recognition section, right-click on Connection Finder, Edit. I will go into details about all the options available here. But first things first, let's explore settings. In Selection, you may pick joint nodes where recognition will be performed using Selector control. It is possible to delete all entities, which is actually the entire model. Press Add Condition button, Joints, and select items from list, on components, nodes by text, and select by element. When it comes to chord options, chord maximum curvature angle means that chord elements do not always form the straight line. To include the inclination, in the chord default angle of 3 degrees is used. Maximum distance between chord joint nodes of one connection includes joints that are formed by multiple nodes. It is possible to set the custom distance or use the first available option. Angle between braces treated as in one plane defines the allowable angle between braces of one connection that are located in different planes. Now let's find the connections. You can see they were recognized in a blink of an eye. In general, connections can be of different types. The circular tubes, like in our model, rectangular tube, I-beam, and combined, meaning that at least one cross-section of brace or chord element is different from other cross-sections. By expanding each of them, connection details display a respective type of connection, chord or brace, and cross-section dimensions. Brace contains only one element with ID defined in brackets and connected to the joint node. Like shown in connection 2, there can be braces from both sides of the chord. There can be upper brace from one side and lower brace from the opposite side. Also, as you might have noticed, by selecting certain connection, these options are activated. So this option enables the possibility to rename connection, also to remove connections. This allows to select element and highlights respective connection in the table. This option gives the possibility to export selected connections using export menu. Also, this highlights selected connections. This option previews only selected connections, as you can see. And also to preview chords, let's select all the connection. I'm using the combination of Ctrl A, pressing the preview. As you can see, chords are displayed in blue and braces in yellow. When it comes to chord and brace in red, it means that these elements are identical and their cross-sections are the same as well. And in this case, they are recognized twice. Now let's check their characteristics by selecting one from them directly in the model. So I'm pressing this button, and here you can either select an element by inserting the ID or picking it directly in the model. I'm pressing OK. And here we go. The ID of the connection is 17 and also 18, as they were recognized twice. And the IDs of chords and braces in both connections are the same but swapped. Now, moving on to the upper part of the window. By pressing this button, you may automatically highlight the selected connections on the model. This option, Expand All, shows an information about all connections. So you can see that the information is expanded. And this option, Collapse All, hides information about all connection. Also, it is possible to filter connection by the selection or using the filter rule. So, Show All displays all connections on the defined selection. Connection Type also allows to choose the type. And Show Overlapped displays connections where at least one of the brace overlaps another. So by selecting the filter rule, you may press Apply Filter, and also when it comes to connection type, you may select the type itself, press Apply Filter, and the required connections will be filtered. Okay, if you have any other questions on how to get started with SDC Verifier software, online help on our website may come in handy. So you go to Software, Online Help, Help for SDC Verifier. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos to come.